Hello guys, this is Hassan from HDFX, and today I want to talk about pound New Zealand dollar and this what's happening lately, and I want to trade this zigzag pattern if it's possible. So the situation is the market has ended some wave here and started a very actually a very big decline to the downside. So what it looks like here is we have a wave A on the lower degree uh, as a wave of impulsive move, as a part of zigzag, and after this we have a wave. We are looking for a wave C. Now the wave C, if it's as you know in a zigzag, how the pattern looks like is something like this. So we have an A, we have a B, and we have a C that has to take low, wave B. So what we should be looking for something like this. This C wave, whatever this wave, started here after the wave B, has to pass wave A low. In this case, we have this, and it will make a substantial new lower. But in wave A, wave B, and wave C, we have a couple of rules. First rule is being that wave A, time of wave A has to be similar or equal to wave C. Now in this situation, if you take the time, put it to wave C, it's nowhere near. So what it means? Well, it means, does this mean that it's not a zigzag? Of course no, but it means that this wave C is a terminal move. It can be. If it's a terminal move, what it means? Well, it means that we are looking for something a little bit different. So what it is that we are looking for? Well, we are looking for a C wave that is terminal, classical terminal impulsive move. By what I mean is in pair in the lower degree, it should look something like this. So we have wave 1, we have a wave 2, we have a wave 3 is making a new low, and we should have some type of can be here, I'm not so sure, it can be like this, it can be here too. We should have a wave 4, let's say that's done here, and we will have a wave 5. So this should look something like this, because 2 to 4 trend line has to be clean. It should be looking something like this, and it looks like we are in a fifth wave now, or as a part of fifth wave, and by the time it is done, we have to make sure that this price is coming all the way to the B wave in a time that's taking for the wave C to form, but in half of the time. So let's say that the fifth wave is done somewhere around here, okay? Let's say, as an example. So let's say the fifth wave is done here. If the fifth wave is done here, what we should do is simply go to our Fibonacci time zone and take it like this, and take the fifth wave and take 50% of it this time, and let's put it here, get rid of this. So when this is done, fifth wave is done, it means the zigzag is done. And when the zigzag is done, it will go, well, can the fifth wave end here? Of course, it can. Then it will be like this, then we will put our time here. So, but it's still, when it's done, where it should go should be somewhere around 97, 70s in a fairly fast time, because what we will need is doing something like this all this time, half of it to go here minimum. Of course it can go even higher, but the minimum price will be something like this. So on this chart, if it's say like this, because now the price is not done, so what we need is a price action that will go all the way up. Okay. Also, in a lower degree, if this ABC is done, it means that it will probably will be a complex, not a complex correction, but a simple correction. It means that after this ABC is done, it means that we will probably end a corrective wave. It can be A, it can be B, it can be a second wave, it can be a fourth wave, and so on. It can be an X wave, it can be any type of triangle, A, B, C, D, E. So don't forget this. And after this, we can build another trades because now that we will know that we have a simple correction as ABC, so it will give us some type of clue to what we are looking and what we should be looking for. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, and see you on the next one.